let's make a pancake. Good morning. One of my favorite breakfasts. Very easy to do. So we will have, for dry ingredients, here, harina. You can also, what do you call this, learn some Spanish words. Actually, they're not very hard, most especially for nouns. They're pretty much the same as our Tagalog words. Like this, harina is harina for us as well. There's just slight differences, spelling, pronunciation, which I'm not very good at as well. We have levadura, you know that too. I don't know how is it in Tagalog. Levadura also. Azúcar, which is azúcar in Spanish. Blanco is white, so white sugar. Sal in Spanish, and asin. So let's put them all together and mix it. I normally mix it well first before putting the, what do you call this, the wet ingredients, the liquids. This is not necessary, but I don't know. Minsan loka-loka lang ako. There you go. Okay, wet ingredients. We have mantequilla, and it has to be melted. That's only about 2 tablespoons of butter, but the more the butter, the better, the yummier. Vanilla, egg, which is huevo in Spanish. Mantequilla is the same, but you just have to pronounce it mantequilla, not mantequilla. And this is leche, milk. So we have 4 ingredients for dry and 4 ingredients for wet. It's very easy to remember. Now we put them together. Oh, don't worry, I will put all the exact measurements of the ingredients on the descriptions below. So here we are. Mix it properly. Mix it all together really well. Until you get this consistency, más o menos, like that. And super bango dahil dun sa vanilla na nilagay natin. And by the way, we're making American style pancake, which I love. Siyempre, pag bumili ka sa mga fast food, you know, breakfast meal, ay, hindi nawawala ang pancake sa breakfast ko. This is my favorite. Okay, so let's cook this in a pan. So here we go. Kuha ng kawali, painitin ng konti, medium heat. You don't have to grease it. No oil or no mantequilla needed, as long as it's non-stick pan. If it's a sticky pan, well, then maybe you have to put better to put butter, but you have to be careful with the fire. It has to be low so that it won't burn, I think. Okay, now I think this pan is ready. I normally just put it like this, pour it until it forms a circle. There you go. If you want to be precise with the size, then use a measuring cup or whatever you want, sandok. That will work as well. This is pretty much quick. It will only take a few seconds, maybe less than a minute, and then it will be ready. You see the bubbles forming already on top. It means that soon it will be ready. We will flip it, and it will take 5 seconds after that, then it's done. That's easy. You see? Ayan, nagbabubble na. So, we can flip this. There you go. Ooh, perfect color. I love it. Look at that. That is our desired color for that side. Now, just a few seconds and it's done. There you go. Mainit-init pa. And then you just have to finish all the mixture. So here it is. Now, one very important ingredient for me. For you, this may be enough, or if you have powdered sugar, if you have Nutella, anything, any spread, it works, any jam, you can use whatever, you know, whatever would satisfy your taste buds. So for me, syrup. Whoop, syrup is perfect. Ay. Nahulog pa. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. And you can put as many as you want. There you go. I normally also eat it with some vegetables. Vegetables. No, fruits. This is perfect with fruits as well. Berries, banana, super healthy breakfast. Well, to balance it, at least. Pasensya na kayo sa video ko. Wala akong stand eh. So, ganito na lang muna tayo. And let's see. Bon profit. That's what you say here. Enjoy.